Hello, welcome to Niceroy101 Channel. This is probably the shortest craft room tour video on YouTube. My name is Bernice from Niceroy.com. So those of you that have been watching my videos, I just wanted to record this short video for you to know where I've been working from. So my space has been taken over by fabrics. So this is where my sewing machine. I've been drinking water a lot. Then things that I've been working with. I have all these cut. I'm about to make a lot of scrunchies. I've already made some in that bag over there. I have some in this storage here. And this is my personal assistant, Damile. Thanks for watching.